Hi, I'm just playing with the bowls to see what kind of vibrations I get. And so let's see what we have. I want to feel what it's like when it's recording on the phone, on the floor. This is the gift for June for my beautiful Patreon members. This is a selenite tower. It is an angel stone. It is a healing stone. It is a Reiki stone. It is designed to clear energy and to give you a brand new start. And if you put this on an LED color changing thing, it's freaking gorgeous. So this is going to be the gift for whoever joins me on my live Patreon. Thank you so much. I love you. I hope you don't mind all this bizarre music playing, trying to gather up understanding on what mallets I need and blah, blah, blah for my bells. But I love you. Namaste.